On the disappearance day of Sri Purushottam Das Thakur, let us all hear and know about him. Nagar Purushottam was previously the cowherd named Daman in Vraja. He is now born in a Vaidya family as the son of Sadashiva. Sadashiva Suto Namna Nagara Purushottama Vaidya Vamsodbhavo Namna Dama Yo Vallavo Vraje. Gaur Ganodesha Deepika 131. Daman was one of the 12 Gopals and a companion of Krishna in his childhood pastimes in Vraja. In the 11th chapter of the Adi Leela of Chaitanya Charitamrita, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami has listed Purushottam Das amongst the devotees of Lord Nityananda. Sadashiva Kaviraj was a great personality. Purushottam Das was his son. From birth, Purushottama Das was absorbed in the service of the lotus feet of Lord Nityananda Prabhu, and he also engaged in childish play with Lord Krishna. His son was named Sri Kanu Thakur, a very respectable gentleman. His body was saturated with the nectar of love for Lord Krishna. Chaitanya Charitamrita 1.11.38 to 40. Vrindavan Das Thakur has also named Purushottama Das as one of Nityananda Prabhu's chief associates. Sadashiva Kaviraj was very fortunate to have a son like Purushottama Das. Purushottama Das had no external consciousness of his body, for Nityananda Prabhu is constantly acting through him. Is mentioned in Chaitanya Bhagavata 3.5.741 to 742. For 4 generations, the family of Purushottama Das consisted of eternally perfect, direct associates of Mahaprabhu. Kamsari Sen, Sadashiva Kaviraj, Purushottam Thakur and Kanu Thakur. The Gaur Ganodesha Deepika identifies Kamsari Sen as Ratnavali Sakhi and Sadashiva Kaviraj as Chandravali. 156. Purushottam Das Thakur's wife was named Janava Devi. She died while her son Kanu Thakur was just a young child. Nityananda Prabhu named the boy Shishu Krishnadas. It is said that Nityananda Prabhu's wife Janava Devi adopted Kanu and took him with her to Vrindavan. Some say that he was also one of the 12 Gopalas. One legend about Kanu Thakur holds that when in Vrindavan, while he was dancing in Kirtan, his ankle bell flew off. He vowed that he would make his residence wherever the ankle bell was recovered. When it was found in the town of Bodhkhana in Jessore district, he established his Shripat there. In the opinion of some, Madhvacharya Madhava Chattopadhyay of Jirat in Hooghly district, the husband of Nityananda Prabhu's daughter, Ganga Devi, was Purushottam Thakur's disciple. Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur has the following to say about Purushottama Thakur's Shripat. He says, Purushottama Das Thakur lived at Sukhasagar, midway between the Chakda and Simurali railway stations. The deities he installs were formerly served in Bele Danga village, but when the temple fell into the river, the deities were taken to Sukhasagara. That temple was also swallowed by the Ganges, and so the deities were brought with Janava Mata's deity to Saheb Danga Berigram. Since that place was also destroyed, all the deities were again moved about 3 or 4 miles to the village named Chandure Gram on the banks of Gangas, about 1 mile up from Palpada. It's mentioned in Anubhashya 1.11.39. Devakinandan Das, the author of Vaishnava Vandana, was Purushottam Thakur's disciple. There he writes, I worship Sadashiva Kaviraj with great attentiveness. He was constantly intoxicated with love and had no external consciousness. I bow down to my worshipable Lord Purushottam Thakur, who can list his uncomparable qualities. He was merciful to those who were devoid of virtue, displaying the natural power of his compassion. When only 7 years old, he was so intoxicated with love of Krishna that he danced in a way that enchanted the entire world. The following supplementary information is given in the Gaudiya Vaishnava Abhidhana. Some people say that Purushottam's surname was Nagar, while others say that the name Nagar comes from the name of the area where he lived, since the 5 villages Beledanga, Berigrama, Sukhasagar, Mansapota and Palpada are so close together. This area is sometimes called Nagaradesh. Purushottam once ate snake poison when in a trance state without experiencing any ill effects. This was a source of great astonishment to all who witnessed it. Many of Nityanand Prabhu's associates often displayed such miraculous powers. Accepted from Sri Chaitanya, his life and associates by Srila Bhakti Vallabha Tirtha Maharaj. Hare Krishna.